3-in-1 battery booster and power bank flashlight, 800 lumens, a 5000 peak power with 10.0 liter for diesel and all vehicles of a 12-volt system. USB QC 3.0 of USB A and C. And we're going to show you some demonstrations of inflating and jump starting a car. AI Poway is a car accessory for your car needs, bicycles, rafts, and more. Comes in a nice carrying case. An instruction guide. Has a flap with all the accessories located behind a mesh area. Your pump, your jack hookup, basketball, inflatable areas, and USB-C charging port. The pump itself, nice and bright. Please remember to peel off the sticker in the front. The window is a silicone covering that is protective, yellow and black with the flashlight, your pump, your jack area. It has a breathable section on the back and some warning instructions. To use the pump, place on the valve. Place the other end onto your tire. Lock down. Turn the unit on by the round windows, on and off, negative, positive, light, recycle. Press the on button. 88% of power. The buttons KPA, bar, PSI, 36%. (36 psi) has been reached. The unit shuts off. Jump starting the vehicle. You could simply leave the hose attached or take off. Open up the silicone door and correctly place on. You have a flashing red light over here. Take your negative and positive, place onto the terminals. They are nice and large. They open up nice and wide directly over the terminal. Turn the unit on and start your car. With about the 1 meter cable, simply plug into your power source. Located on the sides of the unit will be where you plug in to charge your unit. And it gives a nice soft white display of 81% charge input. Your buttons are located around the area in yellow. You can charge just about anything with your optional cables. With the standard USB-A cable, you could charge anything USB-C. Charge your flashlight by turning on the button and the flashlight charges. A close-up look in charging the unit, simply plugging into one of the ports, pressing the on button, charges just like that. After 30 seconds to a minute, the unit will shut off automatically. On the top will be your LED light. To light up, pressing the on and off button, give a rapid flash and an SOS. And again off. If this is an air inflator, jump starter, and power bank that you are looking for, with up to 120 psi to inflate a tire in 5 to 8 minutes from 0 to 36 psi. With the battery capacity of 99.16 Wh, 1000 recycles. The USB-C QC 18 watts from 5 to 12 volts with different wattages of input and output. The quick charge to a full charge could take up to 3 hours. And with the regular charge could take 7 hours. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.